Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayo, and today I'm going to be talking about a DIY gone wrong. Yep, I do make a lot of mistakes too when I make certain things. Now I got this beautiful I don't know what kind of fabric it is. I don't know if it's called crepe, but it's quite stretchy, and I bought about 2 yards of it, either 2 or 3 yards, and I love the color. So I was going to do a waterfall jacket with it, and I felt like it was the simplest. In fact, it is the simplest DIY out there. I see it and I'm like, oh yeah, it's just a circle with holes in it, right? How wrong could I have been? Because I didn't know much about sewing then. Anyway, so I did the basic. I folded it in 4 places, or I folded it into 4. I cut a circle, so I had a big circle, and then I went ahead to position the shoulders. So, but unfortunately, after putting the armhole, I didn't like how it was. So let me just show you how it looked. So I haven't figured out how to walk around it, and still this makes it so freaking long. I'm all out of ideas. So now I've got another extra armhole here, and then I've got this one. So I don't know if there's anything I can do around it. If you have any ideas, please, I'm open to it. But someone did tell me to match the hole, so, and then wear it around like this. I really don't like it anymore, but this is the idea of the waterfall I wanted, like, you know, to drape down with a hole. But so this is what the back will look like now. If I put my hands through the 2 holes, this is what it will look like. Okay, not bad, not bad. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.